Industrial furniture design is a celebration of authenticity and durability, a tribute to the raw and unpolished. It harnesses the innate beauty of materials like metal, wood, and concrete, transforming them into striking pieces that blend strength and elegance. Each material tells a story. Metal conveys resilience, wood adds warmth and a connection to nature, and concrete brings an understated sophistication. Together, they form an aesthetic that resonates with modern sensibilities while subtly aligning with sustainability values through the reuse and repurposing of materials. A steel frame tabletop with reclaimed wood is an archetype of industrial design. The cool sleek lines of the steel frame contrasts with the weathered texture of the wood, each piece of which carries its own history. The knots, grains, and imperfections in the reclaimed wood become more than surface details. They become a narrative, a tactile connection to the past. This interplay of materials offers more than visual appeal. It speaks to a deeper appreciation for objects that are not only functional but also storied and sustainable. Getting started with industrial furniture design requires mastering foundational skills like metalworking. Metalworking opens doors to a world of possibilities in creating durable, stylish pieces. Essential tools include welders for joining metal pieces, angle grinders or plasma cutters for precise cuts, and clamps to hold materials securely in place during assembly. Measuring and marking tools like squares, rulers, and levels ensure precision, while drills with metal bits allow for clean holes and secure fastener placement. These toolkits represent the bridge between vision and realization. Safety is paramount in metalworking. Welders generate intense heat and bright light, necessitating protective gear such as welding helmets, gloves, and fire-resistant clothing. Goggles shield eyes from sparks, while ear protection guards against noise pollution. A well-ventilated workspace reduces exposure to fumes generated during welding or cutting. These precautions, often understated, form the backbone of responsible craftsmanship, ensuring that creativity flourishes without compromise. Material selection is equally critical in industrial furniture design. Steel stands out for its strength and versatility, adaptable to various finishes from polished to raw. A polished steel frame exudes urban sophistication, while an unfinished surface offers a raw rustic charm. Aluminium, valued for its lightweight and corrosion-resistant properties, appeals to those seeking practicality and style in both indoor and outdoor furniture. Reclaimed metal sourced from old machinery or architectural remnants introduce a layer of uniqueness, imbuing each piece with character and history. The creative process often begins with a concept, a vision of how materials and textures will come together. For an industrial sofa, the combination of a steady metal frame with soft upholstery creates an intriguing juxtaposition of hardness and comfort. Leather, a classic choice, adds sophistication and durability, its surface aging gracefully over time to develop a rich patina. Neutral tones like black, tan, or deep brown align seamlessly with industrial aesthetic, while bolder options like emerald green offer a modern twist. Upholstery in velvet or recycled fabrics introduces tactile richness, broadening the appeal to diverse tastes. Finishes enhance the overall aesthetic and durability of industrial furniture. A polished steel frame conveys a sleek modern vibe, while a matte black or powder coated finishes add an edgy subdued look. Distressed finishes achieved through sanding or chemical treatment heighten the raw appeal of industrial furniture, celebrating imperfections as part of its charm. Adding reclaimed wood accents or panels create depth and authenticity, grounding the design in its origins and amplifying its unique story. Color schemes in industrial furniture often center on neutral tones like gray, black, and white, providing a versatile foundation that emphasizes the material's natural textures. However, strategically placed bold accents such as mustard yellow or deep blue inject personality into the design, breaking the monotony while maintaining cohesion. Metallic accents in brass or copper add a touch of warmth, subtly elevating the piece's visual appeal. Safety remains a cornerstone of the DIY process. Metalworking involves handling tools and materials that can pose risk if not approached responsibly. Organizing the workspace to minimize hazards, storing tools properly, and securing materials during cutting or welding are essential practices. Protective equipment like gloves, safety glasses, and welding helmets act as safeguards against potential accidents. The workspace should be equipped with fire extinguishers and ventilated to mitigate fumes, creating an environment where creativity can thrive without compromising safety. Once these foundational elements are in place, the design process takes center stage. In an industrial sofa, the frame serves as the backbone, offering stability and defining the structure. Metal pipes or rectangular steel tubing are popular choices, combining strength with aesthetic simplicity. Reclaimed wood or high-quality upholstery add warmth and comfort, while modular features such as adjustable armrests or detachable cushions introduce flexibility and cater to modern living needs. Attention to detail distinguishes exceptional industrial furniture. Exposed welding seams, decorative rivets, or carefully chosen finishes elevate the design, transforming functional pieces into works of art. Ergonomic considerations such as a padded seating or curved edges enhance usability without detracting from the industrial aesthetic. Testing the stability and durability of each piece ensures it will stand the demands of daily life, reinforcing the trust consumers place in their products. Industrial furniture is about crafting narratives. Each piece reflects a journey from the selection of raw materials to the final assembly. Sharing these stories with potential buyers fosters an emotional connection, turning furniture into a shared experience. High quality images and videos showcasing the creation process, welding the frame, upholstering the cushion, or finishing the wood highlights the craftsmanship and care invested in each design. These visual narratives invite consumers to appreciate the artistry and effort behind the furniture, deepening their connection to the piece. Customization adds another layer of engagement, allowing buyers to personalize their furniture to suit their style and space. Choices in finishes, upholstery, and dimensions ensure each piece aligns with industrial preferences. A polished steel frame or a matte black finish, paired with options like leather or recycled fabric, transform furniture from a generic product into a personal statement. This level of customization justifies premium pricing and reinforces the emotional bond between the buyer and the product. Sustainability is woven into the fabric of industrial furniture design, appealing to an audience increasingly concerned with environmental impact. The use of reclaimed materials, whether salvaged wood or recycled metal, underscores a commitment to reducing waste and honoring resources. Transparent sourcing and production practices enhances credibility, allowing buyers to trust in the ethical and eco-friendly nature of their purchase. Industrial furniture design remains timeless, a blend of raw beauty, functionality, and sustainability. By mastering metalworking techniques, prioritizing safety, and focusing on thoughtful, detail-oriented designs, you can create pieces that resonate with modern consumers. This balance of strength and elegance ensures industrial furniture plays as a cornerstone of contemporary home decor, celebrated for its authenticity, versatility, and ability to tell compelling stories. Thank you for tuning in. If this video lighted a spark of creativity or gave your project the edge they deserve, don't let the inspiration stop here. Hit the like button, share this with others who get it, and subscribe to join the community that thrives on innovation. Don't forget to tap the notification bell because being ahead of the curve means catching the latest ideas as they drop. See you in the next video.